Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Home decor and lighting are important part of Diwali. So in today's video, I would be sharing you very easy Diwali decoration ideas to light up your living area this Diwali and create some festive look. So yeah, let's get started. Here I would be using simple rice which I have colored in 4 different shades. I have made it at home by adding colors to it. Next you can create any type of shape with that rice. So I have decorated the table with all different colors of rice and now I am placing some rose petals in the center. This is how we have arranged it on the table. So this was my first decoration idea for your table, and now let's move to the next idea. So here I would be taking a glass bowl which I would be decorating with flowers, and I have also used the different colored rice in the sides. Place a tea light candle over each and every bowl of rice. You can use any diya as well, and I'll place 4 tea light candles in the water. You can use floating candles. I have used a table runner over here. So by this easy DIY, we can really change the look of the dining table, and it really looks so festive. Is ready. This simple colorful DIY has lighted up my dining area. So now let's move to our next Diwali decor idea. So here I have taken a tall glass and I have filled it with a plastic flower of red color. And over it I have filled some rose petals, and then on top of it I have added some yellow flowers. Similarly, I'll take another glass, I'll put a plastic flower, an artificial flower of yellow color I have used. Then I'll put some red colors to it. Here I have put the rose petals and some yellow flowers. Once we are done by filling the colorful layers of flowers in the glass, we'll just keep it upside down in this manner on the table. And since my dining table is round, so I'm decorating it in a semicircular manner. In this way we can just decorate half of a table with colored rice and flowers. So I have pasted some fairy lights in half of my table on the borders. And see how beautiful it all comes out to be. So bright and lighted. So our dining area is all festival ready. Now let's move to our next unit. Next, this is a wooden cabinet that we would be decorating now. So for decorating it, I have taken some red colored rice in a small bowl and I will be covering it with a bigger bowl. Next, I will be taking a glass plate and I will be placing it on top of that. Then we will take that glass which we have already filled with the flower and we will keep it upside down over the plate. Simply adding some rose petals to the plate. And now we will place 1 tea light candle over the glass. Now we will add 3 more tea light candles on the edges of the wooden cabinet so as to beautify the whole space and make it more festive. You can also place some showpieces at the upper 2 corners. And now my wooden cabinet area is also festival ready. Apart from that idea, if you have bangles at your home, then you can use this idea also. You can place some glass bangles surrounding the one diya and one golden karas surrounding the other 2 diyas. And I have placed 2 more glasses of flowers on the 2 sides. let's have a look at my last idea. This is a 3-layered sofa side table. Let's begin by decorating the bottommost layer of the table. We have taken all the 4 colored rice bowls and the glass filled with flowers. In the middle row, I will be placing that bigger glass bowl that was filled with water, flowers and diya. And finally, to decorate the top row, I would be using some decorative items like showpieces and a tray filled with flowers. And it's all ready for the Diwali. कि दिवाली पे हमें हर कोने को जगमगाना है. I hope that you will find this video helpful in decorating your own home while you are planning your Diwali decoration plan. I just try to show you some easy ideas to decorate your dining area, your cabinets area and the side tables. It looks really very festive. So that's all for today's video guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So see you again. Happy decorating. Bye bye.